Bread beyond the loaf, delicious ways to enjoy sliced bread. Dive into a world of culinary creativity with these 10 sliced bread recipes that go beyond the ordinary. From classic comforts like grilled cheese and French toast to innovative twists like avocado toast and bread pudding, these recipes will transform your meals. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a hearty lunch, or a comforting dessert, these recipes are sure to inspire. Say goodbye to boring sandwiches and discover the endless possibilities of sliced bread. Here are some delicious recipes using sliced bread. French toast. Dip slices of bread in a mixture of beaten eggs, milk, and cinnamon, then fry until golden brown. Grilled cheese. Layer cheese between 2 slices of bread and grill until the cheese is melted and the bread is crispy. Avocado toast. Toast bread. Mash avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice, salt and pepper, and spread on top. Bread pudding. Mix bread cubes with eggs, milk, sugar, and spices, then bake a BLT sandwich. Layer bacon, lettuce, and tomato between 2 slices of bread with mayo. Cinnamon toast. Toast bread, spread with butter, and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Spread peanut butter and jelly between 2 slices of bread. Egg salad sandwich. Mix chopped hard-boiled eggs with mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper, and spread on bread. Tuna salad. Sandwich. Mix canned tuna with mayo, chopped celery, onion, salt, and pepper, and spread on bread. Ham and cheese sandwich. Layer sliced ham and cheese between 2 slices of bread with mustard or mayo. Bruschetta. Toast bread, rub with garlic and top with chopped tomatoes, basil, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Crostini. Toast bread. Top with a spread like hummus or goat cheese, and add toppings like roasted vegetables or prosciutto. Breadcrumbs. Pulse bread slices in a food processor to make breadcrumbs for coating chicken or topping casseroles. Bread pizza. Top bread slices with tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings like pepperoni or vegetables. Then bake until the cheese is melted. Breadsticks. Slice bread into sticks, brush with butter and garlic, and bake until crispy. Stuffing. Cube bread and mix with sautéed onions, celery, herbs, and broth. Then bake until golden brown. Bread pockets. Flatten bread slices with a rolling pin, fill with a sweet or savory filling, and bake or fry until crispy. Bread and butter pudding. Layer bread slices with butter and raisins in a baking dish, then pour over a mixture of eggs, milk, sugar, and spices and bake until set. With these recipes, your sliced bread will never be the same again. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet or savory, these ideas are sure to satisfy. So grab a loaf of bread.
Welcome to Brewed Content, a channel where we blend a variety of flavors to create a unique viewing experience. I'm Ms.Coffee, a seasoned freelancer in web graphics and design, bringing you a mix of content that's as diverse as my interests.